How to comment on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to comment on Reddit app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now go over the post that you want to comment down. You can see the icon for comment. Look at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now click on the join the conversation icon. Write down the comment according to your preference and hit the reply button. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna comment on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Reddit, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.